Hi, I'm Liz Wright from the Australian Cake Decorating Network, and today I'm really excited to let you know more about our new ACDN Business Lounge. So the ACDN Business Lounge is a dedicated space to help support cake decorators and bakers in building their profitable, sustainable and enjoyable baking businesses. This is the place for you if you run a cake decorating or baking business from home, yet you don't make as much money as you'd like. Maybe you feel like you need to go back to work to get some dependable or reliable income, but you really don't want to. You have the passion and the skills, but you just need to make it profitable and sustainable and learn those business skills to do so. Running a business can be really hard work, I know. ACDN is my third business. I started it in 2012, and before that I ran a cake decorating business full-time, making cupcakes, cookies and custom cakes. I also have 4 kids, so I know how much of a juggle it can be running a business around your children and around your family and around your other commitments. But I also know that with the right systems in place and the right support and mentoring, that running a business can be successful, sustainable and actually enjoyable. Too often we see cake decorators and bakers closing their businesses because maybe they're burnt out or not making enough profit. They may not even be paying themselves a regular wage or not know exactly where their money goes. The Business Lounge is for those who want to increase their profits, improve your processes and your time management. If you know you need to improve your social media or your marketing skills, or need to learn some practical and effective ways to convert more quotes to orders. In the past 8 years of running ACDN, I've seen firsthand how other decorators are seeking this knowledge. And I know that with the monthly workshops, resources, downloads, and the support in the Business Lounge, this will really give the strategies that you need to implement your own ideas and reach your goals. One key feature of the Business Lounge is that we've invested in sourcing industry experts to bring knowledge and guidance in all aspects of running a successful baking business. We know how expensive business coaches can be, and this is a really affordable way to gain that support and knowledge through our group training. So, how will it work? Each month we are going to focus on a different topic related to improving and growing your business. We will have a video training session with our monthly guest expert, along with downloads, workbooks and resources. We have a live group Q&A mastermind session every month for all members of the Business Lounge to attend, where our expert will answer any questions that arise throughout the month. And it also gives that opportunity for accountability to complete the sessions, implement the changes, as well as brainstorm and get direct feedback from our monthly guest expert and other group members. The monthly group accountability calls will be a really valuable session because working in this industry, as we all know, can be really isolating. Many of us are working at home alone, and without that accountability, it's really easy to put things in the one-day basket, which we know never really happen. The Business Lounge is about implementing and making forward progress in your business. There are way too many courses and so much information out there about what you should do and not enough supporting the momentum of actually doing. So this is a doing lounge. Together we're going to focus on the topic, develop some actionable goals and actually do the steps together so that you can make progress in your business every single month. We're really excited to be launching the new ACDN Business Lounge to bring small business experts, mentors, industry experts and resources to your lounge room. So come and join us in the ACDN Business Lounge. You'll find the link below.